So Tom, tell us, sort of where things stand in terms of this whole evolution of voice to text and video search, what you guys have done, and maybe a little kind of a roundup on where the industry is.
Yeah, I think more broadly speaking, the emphasis and the value of metadata as it relates to audio and video content online has continued to really grow. And I think across the board now, there's an acknowledgement that that is the best strategy for what we call merchandising your content. So plugging it into the search economy, making it discoverable by search engines, for whom text is really their key currency in terms of what they use to properly discover and rank content. Drilling down on that a little bit, speech to text is clearly one of the really effective means to generate high quality metadata around audio and video content. From an industry standpoint, speech to text is really hard, and it's been developed over decades, so it's very difficult for somebody to sort of enter the space and decide they're going to develop speech to text. In our case, it was developed on the back of government R&D for national security type purposes. And so the ability to do it scalably and accurately is very, very hard. Our approach to it is unique relative to the speech industry in particular, in that ours is a hosted solution, and we maintain our speech corpus centrally. And as we improve that and augment that continuously, throughout the year, all of our customers benefit because they're all sharing off the same master corpus, which we then tune and tweak for customers and for topic domains and things like that. And that's been a real breakthrough and a really unique approach that we've taken to the market.
Okay, so tell us about the users. You have a lot of customers. Give us a range of how the customers use the search. Is it just for the name of something? Is it a topic of a video? How does the search surface up into your customer pages?
Yeah, it's sort of a tiered approach. So depending on the content type, if we start at the sort of the pinnacle, professionally generated news and informational content, there we generate a full transcript with timestamps, and there the transcript's actually displayed on the page, so the search engines can index it just like they would a document, and that provides better search engine visibility for that piece of media. We also organize all of their episodes of content into topics using statistical approaches. So if you look at a site like Fox Sports, we have several thousand topics that we organize all their content into automatically, continuously. So that might be sports player names, team names, and Super Bowl, things like that. And so that uses that same metadata we produce to organize it. And from there, we can then also auto-tag it. So that's people, places, and things. So depending on the type of content we're processing, we can either go from a full transcript all the way down to just auto-tagging if it's user-generated or something like that, and we're trying to do keyword spotting.